Okay, make sure that the Rivnut is screwed all the way down. That was what my problem was. And then this knurling is screwed all the way down. Now straighten it. We're going to pick it up, stick it in the hole, try to keep it level, and then apply pressure. Tighten it. Let's see. I think it's starting it. A little more. Let's see here what is going on. It's tight. Exit. Tight. Exit. Tight. Exit. Tight. Exit. Okay. Let's see. Okay, there's one Rivnut. Let's see what it looks like underneath. I'm not sure if I squished it all the way. It's a little bit squished. Probably try squishing it some more though. I'll try that and see what happens. But making some progress.